Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish in Mr. Harrington's class. Oh yeah, okay. So, we're going to solve equations with distribution and combining like terms part 3. Today is Thursday, December 2nd, 2021, and it's Thursday, so that means tomorrow, Friday, is going to be a Friday quiz on all of this. So you get extra practice because we're going to start our study guide later in class. Ooh, okay. So, write this down, write this down, write this down. Example 1. This is a negative here. We're going to work on distributing the negative today in our practice problems. So, first step, always distribute. So, in this case, I'm distributing a -3. The -3, not a positive 3, a -3. So I always circle it like this. So the 10x has got nothing to do with it. Write the 10x down. -3 times 2x. -3 times 2x is -6x. Like that. Okay, so you also have -3 times -4. A negative times a negative is a positive. Yeah. And that 8 equals 8 is right there. That had nothing to do with it. Just bring it down. Nothing happened with that. So the 10x is brought down. Distributive property. Bam, bam, bam. Step 2, you know what it is. Combine like terms. Okay. So I look here. Oh, I see 10x minus 6x. 10x minus 6x is 4x. Then copy the rest down. Plus 12 equals 8. Okay. Step 3. Now we combine like terms. You solve using opposite operations. Okay, so 4x plus 12. So the opposite of adding 12 is subtracting 12. Okay. 12 minus 12 is 0, so that can go away. 4x remains on the left side. Bam. 8 minus 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4, but 8 minus 12, $8, and I lose 12. That means I'm down $4 like that. 4 times x. So I divide by 4 like that. 4 divided by 4 is 1. -4 divided by 4 is all -1. Yeah. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. There we go. X equals -1. Let's try another one. Here we go. Example 2. 5x minus 4 times the quantity 2 plus 4x equals 14. All right, ready? First step. Distribute. First, distribute right here. I'm looking right here the whole time. Distribute. Bam. 5x. -4 times 2 is -8. -4 times positive 4x is -16x. A negative times a positive is a negative. Whoop! Equals 14. There we go. Okay, second step. Combine like terms right there. Combine like terms. Okay. So, okay. So that would be 5x minus 16x. So 5 minus 16. So I have $5 and I lose 16 means I'm down how many? 11. Because 16 minus 5 is 11. 5 minus 16 is -11. There we go. -11x. Don't forget that x. And then I have minus 8 here. Always box, underline, like terms, etc. equals 14. Ooh. There we go. Okay. What is the opposite of subtracting 8? That would be adding 8. Okay. 4 plus 8 is 12. So put the 2 here in the ones place, the 1 in the tens place. 1 plus 1 in the tens place is 2. -11x. Because I'm bringing that down. Don't forget the negative right there. Bam. That goes right there. Okay, opposite of multiplying is dividing. Okay. 11 times what is 22? You know those times tables, right? So that would be 2, and a positive divided by a negative is -2. There you go. All right, cool. Let's do this. Oh my goodness. Example 3. Now you're going to try some on your own. Ready? 6x minus 2 times the quantity x minus 5 equals 46. All right, write that down. Try it on your own. Ready, steady, do it. All right, let's see if you got it. So first step, distribute, right? Circle the -2, boppity bop. If you haven't circled it, circle that. -2 times x is -2x. -2 times -5, and negative times a negative is a positive. And then copy down the equal and the 46. All right. Combine like terms. 6x minus 2x is 4x. Plus 10 equals 46. Subtract 10, subtract 10. If you messed it up, you're fixing it on your paper right now. You're figuring out, okay, this is what I did wrong, so I need to fix it. So when I do my Friday quiz coming up tomorrow, I get it right. 10 minus 10 is 0. 4x, I'm writing on this side. 46 minus 10 is 36. 4 times what is 36? That'd be 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. There we go. Hopefully you got 9 for that one. Check if you got it. Nice job. Cool. One more on your own. So if you didn't get this one, try for this one. Keep at it. The more you practice, don't get discouraged. You're going to get it. All right. 15 minus 4 times the quantity x plus 3 equals 19. On your own. Ready, steady, go. All right, let's see. 15. Whoop. Circle the -4. Bop-a-da-bop. Distribute. Whoop. -4 times x is -4x. -4 times 3 is -12. Make sure you got your positives and negatives right. Equals 19. Didn't do anything with that. Doesn't change. Just keep it the same. There we go. All right. Now 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. And then I got -4x or minus 4x. Negative and the minus, same thing, equals 19. Cool. You may have written it this way. That's okay too. You get the same answer. So the opposite of, this is a positive 3. I'm trying to get rid of this, and so I subtract 3 on both sides. So 3 minus 3 is 0. And this is a -4x there. Don't forget that negative. A lot of people forget that. -4x. 19 minus 3 is 16. Divide by -4. Opposite of multiplication is division. 4 times what is 16? Yeah, 4. And a positive divided by a negative is -4. There we go. Excellent job. Keep practicing. Keep it up. You guys are doing great. Awesome work. See you in the next one.